I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini cake bread. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Next, prepare your dry ingredients. Whisk together 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg in a medium bowl. Set this aside. Now, in a separate large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold in the 2 cups of shredded zucchini that you prepared earlier. This adds wonderful moisture and flavor. It's time to combine everything. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your bread tough. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Bake in the preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your delicious zucchini cake bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set before you move it. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing and serving. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.